Hello. In this video, we'll see together the way we write alphabet Nye, Tigrigna, Geez, or Amharic or Tigre. So let's read this, for example, the slide on the right side of the screen. Let's start. Nye, Nyu, Ni, Nya, Nye, Ny, Nyo. Perfect. So let's see of how we write them. So in the previous video, do you remember when we wrote ne, nu, ni, na, ne, ni, no? So let's first write ne, nu, ni, na, ne, n, no. This is the way we write ne, and it is trailing alphabets. So it's very simple for nye, nyu, ni, nya, nye, ni, nyo. If we add some features like a line or something like that. For example, I will add this line on the top. It becomes now nye, not ne, nye, nyu, ni, nya, nye, ny, nyo. See now here, nye, nyu, ni, nya, nye, ny, nyo. Let's try to write them quickly. Nye, nyu, ni, nya, nye, ny, nyo. It's pretty easy. If we practice more and more, it should be the same as ne, nu, ni, na, ne, no. So yeah, this is for nye, nyu, ni, nya, nye, ni, nyo. I will come with other alphabets in the next video. Thank you.